Tlweb is a TouchDesigner tool that lets you control any web page using custom inputs like gesture, sounds, visuals, or data. Let's start with the live mode. Open the Tlweb viewer and the parameter window. Here you can control the mouse position, simulate clicks, and send keyboards input to the web page. To type text, simply enter the words and move the value from 0 to 1 to send it. Scrolling is done by moving the scroll cursor value. The virtual mouse is fully customizable. You can change its color and adjust its opacity. Now let's map the virtual mouse to another input. Here I'm mapping it to my body movements. This lets me control the web page with my arms and even play a flight simulator using my body. Now let's look at the macro mode. First, enable macro mode. Then open the Tools control window. In this window, you can select actions, add events, and see them appear in event lists. The player lets you trigger the macro. Let's create one. I will add a mouse position event and click Add Event. Then, I will add a click. Next, I will enter some text. Select Type, write your text, save it, and don't forget to add the event. Now, I will add another event, the enter comment. Go back to your web page to preview what will happen. You can keep building your macro step by step. Once your macro is finished, return to the starting point. Under the player, you can adjust the playback speed. Each event lasts 1 second by default, but you can manually change this in the event list. Click play and the macro will execute all events in sequence. Finally, let's look at box mode. Box mode lets you create multiple virtual mouse. You can place them anywhere on the web page by dragging them. Trigger a left click by moving a box value from 0 to 1. If you keep the value at 1 and move the cursor, it simulates a click and drag. Each cursor can be deleted individually by dragging it to the bin icon at the top. The bin itself can also be moved.